In this video, we are going to cover the first paid tool in the DistroKid marketing tools series. Most independent artists are looking for ways to cut costs, which is why we feel like this video may not serve a lot of you, but for those that have that little extra budget to go the extra mile in creating content for their releases, this tool will come in handy. If you're looking for free tools, go ahead and check our DistroKid marketing tool series in the description. It's a playlist, and yeah, leave us some feedback there. So without further ado, let's get direct into the video. What is the Vizy video generator? It's a tool that creates visualizations that move to the beat of your song. I feel like it's best explained visually, so that's what we are going to do. In order to access it, you need to log into your DistroKid dashboard, and then you'll be brought to the My Music tab. This is the page you're usually brought to. However, you'll need to navigate to this tab right here, click on it, and then come down to the Promote Yourself tab. Once you click that, you'll see the Vizy video generator. It says gorgeous visualizations to showcase your music, basically. So once you click on that, you'll be redirected to a page that says it's basically branded with Vizy, and it's made by DistroKid, this particular platform. So you can get videos to post your music on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Twitter, Facebook, and more. So reactive, stunning visualizations that move to the beat, as mentioned earlier, engaging, eye-catching videos grab and keep your listeners' attention, and then easy. Pick a design, then upload your song and album art. So they do the whole motion graphic stuff for you. Now let's get started. Here you can see they have different templates. Sorry about that. You can see that they have different templates right here. They have actually quite a lot, but basically this is what it looks like. And then you come here and click, and you can take a look. You can filter either by looking at all templates, or you can take a look at templates that can have lyrics. If you're interested in adding lyrics to your visualization, you come and click templates that have lyrics, and then you can see that it's reduced to just two, right? It's filtered to just two templates. So that is now the limiting side of it. It's not like you have all these different options that you can customize. So let's start out by looking at all templates. We pick something like this, for example. So once you click on one of them, this is what will appear. Here at the top, you see your video will have your own artwork. So here you'll see that your album art will appear here. And then up here are the different dimensions, right, within which your video can be created. So here you can see it's vertical, here it's horizontal, and then here it's a square, right? So you choose your song, say I want to feel good vibes. Then the artist name is Mr. from Uganda, that's me. The song title, here I'm featuring Odanzi, shout out if you see this. Then the artwork is right here. Now you can opt to replace the artwork, but I'm not going to cover that. Basically you can do that on your own time. And then here, allow DistroKid to feature your video. I'm not sure what happens when they say yes please. So yeah, that's about it. And then here you have the sizes and how they will appear. So square, vertical, horizontal. You can see the different platforms for which they are optimized. Now if you want to take a look at the actual the way the graphics are moving or the visualization will go, you can click here. So just imagine your album art right here with all this stuff moving around. You know, I feel like this would be nice once you put it like on your stories or in a reel, you know, on a YouTube short, a TikTok, you know, just a short format video for your audience to engage with. Once you've listened to this, you can come here, you now select what you want. So by selecting square, you can see that's one video, audio duration 3 minutes and 14 seconds, and then the price is $8.99 in order to create this video. The charges will be done to your card, right? So the card that you have on your account, that is the card that will be billed. Now the more sizes you add, the vertical, the horizontal, the higher this price, right? So here you can see if I'm getting all of them, I'll be paying $24.27. This price will change depending on the length of the song, from what I've seen, depending on the length of the song and depending on how many of these sizes you select. Say I don't want to get maybe a horizontal video. So you see the price drops to $16.18 or $16.18, right? And say I want to do horizontal, but I don't want vertical, $16.18 as well. So that's really what this platform does. And then you just come and click complete purchase. add another size for instant 10% discount, as you can see. Before I finish, let's just go back and take a look at the lyrics, right? That one is without lyrics, right? So we filter here templates that can have lyrics, and then we can select this, right? So the process here is the same, but I just want to show you what happens when the template itself has lyrics. So you click here, show example with lyrics, and then let's play it. Oh, what you saved me wasn't true. Now I'll be over here wondering what to do. And I'll be over here thinking, yeah. So that's how the lyrics will pop up on this particular template. You can check out the other template as well if you're interested in exploring that. But you're limited to just 2 templates. Here you'll have your song title, and then here you'll have your artwork. I hope you found this video helpful. If you want to open your DistroKid account, maybe now you're interested, these videos are giving you some ginger, some motivation to start distributing your music through this platform. Get yourself a 7% discount using our link below. We appreciate you, and yeah, see you in the next one.